Vowel sounds can be quite confusing, especially when you have only one R in your native language. Unlike in English, there are quite a few and all of them sound differently. Okay, let me give you some examples. Cop, cup, cap. Another one. Lock, luck, lack. Can you hear the difference? Do you identify three different sounds, or do all of them sound the same? It's very, very important to hear the difference. Otherwise, it's going to be quite challenging to finally understand and make the sound correctly. Okay, now for A as in cop, you have to make sure that your jaw is dropped and you round your lips. So it's ah sound. It's not a front vowel sound, it's more at the back, and you don't see the body of the tongue when you pronounce a certain word, like lock, cop. The other one is a very neutral sound, so it's like cup, luck. You barely use your jaw, so it's very relaxed. Your mouth opens pretty fast and closes pretty fast as well. One more time. Cup, luck. The last sound is very open and is right at the front. It's not at the back like the ah, but it's cap, lack, hat. And probably you noticed I'm kind of smiling. My sides of the lips are pulled up. So that's very important to bear in mind, that it shouldn't be too close, too narrow, but it has to be quite open, as if you are about to smile. Cap, hat, lack. And here, as I mentioned before, is a front vowel sound. So the tip of the tongue is touching or is against the teeth and pressing, making this sound. So it's not ah, as I want to make as in ah as in father, but it's cat, cap, lack, hat. Okay, make sure your jaw is relaxed. You drop your jaw so you can make the sound correctly. Otherwise, if you have quite a stiff jaw, make sure you massage it, you loosen it. Imagine you're chewing a bubble gum, and it's probably going to be quite weird and uncomfortable, but it's important to make these things before you try to pronounce these words.